Hi guys, welcome to Christmas Sundays. Today, I cannot wait to show you my Etsy Christmas haul. I just love looking through Etsy. I love deciding what to order from Etsy, and it was so fun. I love checking the mail for Etsy, and I think I'm addicted to Etsy. But best of all, I can't wait to share with you my Etsy Christmas haul. Let's get started. First up, I have this vintage Christmas postcard. This is from the Vintage Paper Cottage. So these are Christmas themed postcards. Ooh, and they've actually been sent. So anyways, this is just beautiful. This one was in Chicago. I tend to think, if I can remember, this is December 5th, Indiana. Aren't they just lovely? I wish more postcards were made like this and people enjoyed sending things back and forth, but everything's text. May this, the Christ child's birthday, be a blessed day for you. These are just lovely. This was a nice find. Okay, in my next packet, I got from Knoxville, Tennessee. I got these goodies with this card. Okay, so let's take a look at what I got. Beautiful. Oh, I like this one. This is really nice. At this holy Christmas season, may every joy and blessing be yours. I love the colors. This one is nice. A church, a steeple. Christmas star. May Christmas bells ring in for you a year of happiness. These pink bells are pretty. With all good wishes for a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May the blessings of the Christ child ever enrich your home. Well, all of these are just lovely. I love every one of them. The vintage, the colors are soft. You don't get to see many things like this anymore. So what's really cool about Etsy is you can order modern things or things from the past or just anything you can think of, homemade things. So these are all Christmas vintage things that I ordered, which obviously I just love. So let's see what else we have. Okay, this is coming from a Joyful Bow in California. It says thank you. It's like opening up little presents. Oh, I can't get in. What is it? Look how cute. It's a little safety pin clip with a little snowman. Etsy.com shop, a joyful bow. This is so cute. You'll see what's in here. Washi tape. Look at this. Can you see the deer? And the deer in the snow globe? And the sleigh? Super, super cute washi tape. And then I've got a pink and gold Santa sleigh washi tape. This is beautiful too. And then a little sticker. This is a little goodie. Scratch to win. Redeem coupon. So that's fun. Let's see what else we have. Oh, isn't she cute? Another vintage card. One of the things I like about the vintage cards is they always add a little bit of a shimmer, and the children are so childlike. That will be fun. Let's see what we have in here. This is from Ohio. Created by Danielle1, Etsy.com. These are so nice. They're little safety clips you can use, safety pins, I guess, that you can use to keep papers together, or you can use in your journal to pin them back. They're so fun. Cute little stocking stuffers too. This is from Whimsy by Shelley, Whimsical Paper Art and Craft Boutique. Oh, nice. A little vintage little girl or elf. And I love this. It says, "Hi, I don't care. Thanks." Super fun. Okay, and for my last goodie, I got this from Katnipp.com, and I love going on YouTube and watching Katnipp. If y'all have ever seen her, or if you haven't, you must go to her channel. She is so cute and so fun, and she makes pins and stationery and all kinds of goodies. So I got something really fun in here, and I can't wait to open and share it with you. Okay, not only is it pink on the outside, but it's pink on the inside too. And if you go to Katnipp's YouTube, you'll definitely see that she loves pink. This looks like a Harry Potter motif. Can you see that? He's got his glasses, his spell book, the broom. Okay, I'm excited. I know what this is. She's so cute. Here are the stickers. Oh, she gave me an extra sticker. This is actually her. She makes little stickers with her cute little face. And here's the Gingy stickers. Aren't they cute? She designs these. She designs all kinds of fun things. And these are little gingerbreads. And she actually had pins, but when I went to order, she was out of pins, so I couldn't get the pin, but I got the stickers. Katnipp. I was so excited to order this. Oh, she's got little hearts and love. Aww. Can you see all the little heart things she left? Little heart confetti. Okay, guys. She designed this mug. This Christmas mug. I cannot wait to put hot cocoa in this. I am so excited. Thank you guys. Merry Christmas. See you next Sunday.